Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing a lightweight yet powerful camera drone designed for beginners and content creators, the DJI Flip RCN3. Let's start with the most important point, weight. The DJI Flip weighs under 249 grams, which means no registration required in many countries. Easier legal compliance. Perfect for beginners and travelers. Keycap 1 camera and stabilization. The DJI Flip features 4K UHD video recording, 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This combination ensures smooth cinematic footage, stable shots even in moderate wind, professional-looking videos without post-processing. Keycap 2 intelligent flight and ease of use. This drone is built for effortless flying. Palm takeoff and landing. One-tap intelligent flight modes. Auto hover and precise positioning. Even if you've never flown a drone before, DJI Flip makes it intuitive. Keycap 3 transmission and range. One impressive feature. 13 km/44,000 foot HD video transmission. This provides stable real-time video feed, strong signal in open areas, confidence during long-distance flights. Pause button, realistic pause. Now pause here. For a sub-250G drone, this range and stability are extremely impressive. Keycap 4 flight time and battery. Up to 31 minutes of flight time. This allows longer shooting sessions, fewer battery swaps, better productivity for travel creators. Keycap 5 safety and automation. Safety features include auto return to home (RTH), low battery alerts, GPS stabilization. These features reduce crash risk and make flying stress-free. Keycap 6 Who is this drone for? Beginners, travel vloggers, social media creators, students learning aerial photography. Warning limitations, honest review. Not designed for FPV or acrobatics. Limited performance in strong winds. Best for cinematic, not racing or freestyle. White heavy checkmark final verdict. The DJI Flip is a perfect entry-level cinematic drone combining safety, portability, and image quality.